Hello students, welcome back to my biology online class. Today I want to discuss with you about a new topic, the nutrition in protozoa, with special reference to feeding and digestion in amoeba microphagy habit of feeding and digestion of amoeba. This topic is not included in your syllabus, but this is a very important conception when we are in zoology honors class. This one is the basic topic, and the introductory class was included by this topic, amoeba microphagy. So this is a very important let's have a look about this matter. As all of we know, protozoa is on the whole. First of all, we will going to discuss about nutrition in protozoa. So how many types of nutritions in protozoa are observed? First of all, it will be discussed here. First of all, on defining nutrition. So what do we mean by nutrition? Nutrition can be defined as a complicated physiological process in which food is ingested. That ingested food is digested by different enzymes, then that digested food is absorbed, and last of all, undigested food is expelled from the body. Microphagy, it is a term. It is when it is used, the term microphagy, when a microscopic animal is ingested as food. Microscopic food particle. Ingestion of microscopic food particles, it is known as microphagy. Microscopic food particle. Microscopic food particle is ingested as food. All protozoa are macrophagous, okay, as they can intake microscopic animals as their food. The question arises, how can a microscopic animal, as all of we know, protozoa itself is microscopic. So the question arises that how can a microscopic animal can feed another microscopic animal? Nutrition in protozoa are of different types. First of all, number one, Holozoic nutrition in protozoa. First type, Holozoic or zootrophic. So the first type of nutrition found in protozoa is holozoic or zootrophic or heterotrophic. So what is this particular type of nutrition? On defining this, what is holozoic, zootrophic, heterotrophic means? In this method, plants and animals smaller than the body of protozoa are consumed as food source. This method is ultimately ingestion, digestion, assimilation and egestion. This macrophagous nutrition, and amoeba use this type of nutrition. So when I will going to discuss about amoeba microphagy, feeding and digestion in detail, this topic will be discussed there in detail. Next, Aut0Trophic or holophytic. Holophytic nutrition. So what is Aut0Trophic or holophytic nutrition? On defining this type of nutrition, protozoa with chlorophyll can manufacture complex organic food like those of plants from simple inorganic substances found in euglena, noctiluca, etc. Some protozoa have no chlorophyll but have chlorophyll bearing algae such as zooxanthelle or zoochlorella, which manufacture food for the host. Then comes to next type of nutrition, saprozoic nutrition. Saprozoic nutrition. So what is saprozoic nutrition? Protozoa absorb complex organic substances solution throughout its body surface by the process called osmosis and called Aut0Trophic, and particularly this mode of nutrition is called saprozoic mode of nutrition. Saprozoic forms needs ammonium salt, amino acid or peptone for their nutrition. This type of nutrition is found in monocystis and other coelomic parasitic protozoa. Next, parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition found in protozoa. These are of two types: food robber and pathogenic. These parasitic forms feed either holozoically or saprozoically, and based on the mode of food intake they are differentiated into these two categories: food robber and pathogenic. So first of all, food robber. What is this type of nutrition? Protozoa feeding upon the digested or indigested food of their hosts, and these are known as food robbers. Example: Balantidium, Nyctotherius, etc. Food robbers are generally non-pathogenic. And the next type of pathogenic means feeding on the living tissues in the form of liquid and absorbed throughout the body. Example: Trypanosoma, Plasmodium, etc. Next type, COPROZOIC. What is COPROZOIC type of nutrition? COPROZOIC is feeding on fecal matter of other organisms. Feeding on fecal matter of other organisms. Example: Dimastigo amoeba, Chlamydophis, etc. MIXOTROPHIC. MIXOTROPHIC. What is this MIXOTROPHIC type of nutrition in protozoa? Some protozoa nourish themselves by more than one method. Okay. Different types due to change of its environment. This is called MIXOTROPHIC nutrition. Example: Euglena. There are both saprozoic and Aut0Trophic. Saprozoic and Aut0Trophic. So both types of nutritions they can perform. So they are called MIXOTROPHIC. So their nutrition type is called MIXOTROPHIC. These are 6 types of nutrition found in protozoa. So in a nutshell, these are 6 types of nutrition found in protozoa: holozoic or zootrophic or heterotrophic, which will be discussed now in amoeba. Aut0Trophic or holophytic, saprozoic, parasitic, 2 types: food robber and pathogenic, coprozoic and MIXOTROPHIC.